Hi everyone, my name is Rodiesha Cox and I'm an educator from the Miami Children's Museum. For today's Sensory Saturday activity, we'll be doing one of my favorite experiments, elephant toothpaste. Have you heard of it before? Great, let's try it out. For this activity, you'll need hydrogen peroxide, 3% or 6% is fine, a funnel if you have one, food coloring, dish soap, an empty water bottle, a plate or tray is fine, measuring equipments, warm water, a cup, dry yeast, you can easily find this on Amazon, a spoon, and goggles if you have any. Awesome. So if you do have any goggles, now is the perfect time for you to put them on so you can avoid any splashes of hydrogen peroxide from going into your eyes. I'm using the 3% hydrogen peroxide. This is mostly used and common in homes. I'm going to take my measuring cup and measure half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. If you're using the 6%, you're going to get a more faster reaction, but the 3% would give you a more mild reaction. I'm going to pour my hydrogen peroxide with the support of my funnel into the empty water bottle. Our next step is we're going to add food coloring, so you can think about your favorite color, or Mother's Day is coming up. Let mom pick her favorite color. So I'm going to use purple. You're going to put 8 drops of food coloring into your empty water bottle, which now has hydrogen peroxide. Awesome job. And now we're going to swish that together so we can get the color all mixed in. Now we're going to use our dish soap and measure 1 tablespoon of dish soap and pour it in our bottle that already have our hydrogen peroxide along with our food coloring in it. Awesome. Now we're going to get our separate cup and we're going to measure 3 tablespoons of warm water and put it in the cup. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. 3 tablespoons of warm water. And now we're going to do 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Remember, you can get the dry yeast easy off Amazon. We're just going to take 1. Awesome. So we're going to take our spoon and mix our 3 tablespoons of warm water along with our 1 tablespoon of yeast together. We're going to mix it up for about 30 seconds so that we get everything mixed in. Awesome. Now we're going to take our funnel and place it back on our water bottle. And before we pour our solution, what do you think would happen when we mix these two together? Okay, now let's see. Wow, look at that. Our mixture is rising to the top. Like I was saying, when you use a 3%, it's more mild. If you have a 6%, it will be more faster. So our mixture has risen all the way to the top of the bottle and it's coming out. It kind of looked like toothpaste, elephant's toothpaste. So what did we just see? This was a simple chemical reaction A chemical reaction is when you combine two or more items together and create something new. Let's look at what we combine. Hydrogen peroxide, soap, warm water, and yeast. When we combined them, the chemical reaction created foam. This particular chemical reaction is called an exothermic reaction. That's because not only did it make foam, but it also created heat. If you fill the side of your water bottle in the foam, does it feel warm? That's right, because this reaction also produced heat. Now, we get to enjoy the products of this experiment, the foam. Go ahead and place your hands in it and remember not to put it in your mouth. Have fun.